Ever wondered how your smart thermostat or fitness tracker stays secure from cyber threats? Or why some security systems seem to intuitively sense when something's wrong? Today, we're diving into a revolutionary AI breakthrough that's redefining IoT security. Let's explore how a new neural network architecture called KAN, Kolmogorov-Arnold Networks, is making connected devices safer, smarter, and more transparent. The problem? The Internet of Things is everywhere. From smart fridges to hospital monitors, these devices streamline our lives, but they're also prime targets for cyberattacks. Traditional security systems. They're like outdated locks, reliable but ill-equipped to handle modern, adaptive threats. Many rely on rigid rule-based systems, or black box, AI models that deliver results without revealing how they work. This lack of transparency is a critical issue when protecting life-saving medical devices or infrastructure like power grids. Enter KANs, a neural network design that's rewriting the rules. Unlike conventional networks, which use fixed mathematical operations, KANs employ learnable functions that dynamically adjust during training. Think of it as a detective with a customizable toolkit. Instead of a one-size-fits-all magnifying glass, they can fine-tune their approach based on the clues. This adaptability allows KANs to detect subtle, evolving threats while providing clear explanations for their decisions. For instance, if a smart camera starts transmitting massive data bursts, a KAN might flag it not just as suspicious, but by pinpointing the exact anomaly, like an unexpected traffic spike that deviates from baseline behavior. How did researchers validate this? They tested KANs against established models like Random Forest and XGBoost, using real-world IoT traffic datasets. The results? KANs matched or exceeded traditional methods in accuracy, but with a key advantage: speed and transparency. One study showed KANs could reduce training time by 93% by focusing on the most critical data patterns. Essentially, they're filtering out the noise to highlight the signal. Imagine a security system that doesn't just trigger an alert, but explains why the door is ajar, like a guard who says, "The motion sensor detected a 20% increase in activity during a time of low usage." Why does this matter? IoT isn't just about smart homes, it's the backbone of critical systems. A security flaw in a hospital monitor or self-driving car could have catastrophic consequences. KANs offer a dual advantage: real-time threat detection and actionable insights, making them a game-changer for industries where both speed and trust are non-negotiable. While traditional models still have their place, KANs prove that AI doesn't have to be a mysterious black box. It can be powerful, precise, and explainable, like a smart home that keeps you safe and tells you exactly how. Stay tuned as we continue unraveling how AI is shaping our hyperconnected future.